HHS Eagle Media.
By students, for students.
Hello Heritage, welcome back to Eagle Media, by students, for students. I'm Eden.
And I'm Sam.
Today's broadcast is dedicated to Homecoming Week 2018.
On Monday, we kicked off the year with New York prep wear. Everyone looked amazing. Seniors and freshmen won the dress-up day. Also, on Monday, freshmen won their very first powder puff game. Good job, class of 22.
Wednesday's dress-up day was Colorado ski, and with the weather being a warm 75 degrees, everybody looked hot in their outfits. Juniors and sophomores won the dress-up day, but the seniors took the dub for the rough and tough game.
Thursday's dress-up day was the California Beach, and that evening, the varsity boys soccer team won against Chaparral High. Nice work, Eagles.
Friday was our big assembly. Here's a recap in case you missed any of the action.
Congratulations to the seniors and sophomores on winning this year's homecoming week. Don't worry, freshmen and juniors, your time will come. Until next time, fly high, Eagles.
HHS Eagle Media.
By students, for students.